everyone! Let's play! Wow! I can hear lots of animals! Can you help me find them? Come on! Let's meet the animals and their babies together! Look! A cow, and her baby! This is a cow, and her baby is called a calf. Look! A dog and its baby! This is a dog, and its baby is called a puppy. Aw, look! This is a cat, and her baby is called a kitten. Wow! Look how fast! This is a horse, and the baby is called a foal. Ha-ha! So playful! This is a goat, and the baby is called a kid. Ha-ha! So fluffy! Ha-ha! So fluffy! This is a sheep, and the baby is called a lamb. Ha-ha! So funny! This is an elephant, and the baby is called a calf. Ha-ha! So silly! This is a pig, and the baby is called a piglet. Pig. Aw, so cute! This is a duck, and the baby is called a duckling. Aw, so adorable! This is a hen, and the baby is called a chick. Ha-ha! So cute! This is a bear, and the baby is called a cub. Ha-ha! So funny! This is a monkey, and this is her baby monkey. Ha-ha! Ha-ha! So adorable! This is a lion, and the baby is called a cub. This is a giraffe, and the baby is called a calf. Aw, so adorable! This is a kangaroo, and the baby is called a Joey. Aw, so adorable! This is a kangaroo, and the baby is called a Joey. Ha-ha! So adorable! This is a fox, and the baby is called a kit. Great job, little friends! Today we learned animals and their babies. See you again!